Assalamualaikum and I will say this is my fish. That's it. Like it's by your fish keeps by your और इसमें बदतमीजी करूँगा बस से अच्छे से साफ कर लिया मैं करूँगा This is my fish bowl. It's clean like me. इसे पकड़ेंगे fish.